Welcome back to the channel, home lovers. If you're planning a kitchen remodel or just dreaming about the perfect space, 2025 is bringing bold, beautiful, and smart trends you don't want to miss. From striking new color palettes to revolutionary cabinet designs and luxurious countertop choices, this is your ultimate guide to kitchen trends 2025. Stick around to the end where I'll share my top 3 favorite combinations for a timeless yet trendy kitchen. 1. Kitchen Colors 2025. First up, kitchen colors. In 2025, we're seeing a shift toward rich, earthy tones and deep, expressive hues. Here are the top picks: terracotta and burnt sienna. These warm, clay-inspired shades add depth and a cozy Mediterranean feel. Midnight navy and deep teal, elegant, bold, and surprisingly neutral when paired with brass or natural wood. Sage green, still going strong. It brings a calming, organic vibe, perfect for eco-conscious interiors. 2. Cabinet Trends 2025. Next, let's talk cabinetry, the heart of kitchen design. 2025 is all about functional luxury and streamlined aesthetics. Trending cabinet styles: flat front slab cabinets, modern, clean, and easy to maintain. Often seen in matte finishes or wood veneers. Mixed materials: think walnut with fluted glass, or metal and wood combos for texture and contrast. Handleless systems, push-to-open drawers and recessed pulls give a sleek, seamless look. Open shelving with closed base cabinets, a balanced mix of display and concealment. 3. Countertops 2025. Now on to countertops, where luxury meets practicality. Here's what's trending in 2025. Quartz is king, still the go-to for durability and low maintenance. Now with more natural marble-like veining, porcelain slabs, ultra-slim, heat-resistant, and available in dramatic finishes. Great for full backsplashes too. Soapstone and leathered granite, natural stones with a matte, tactile finish. Outro. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more design inspiration, and comment below, what's your favorite kitchen trend for 2025? Don't forget to check the description for links to style boards, product picks, and more.